Hi, in this video we are going to see another iteration statement for loop. So let us see how for loop works. Let us write a for loop now. For int I equal to 0, I is less than I is less than 10 semicolon increment I. Okay, so let us have a loop body system dot out dot println. Let us print the value of I, value of I plus I. Okay. So how it works? The first one is int I equal to 0. This is actually initialization statement. So it executes only one time for the first time. The next is I less than 10. It is the conditional expression. So it actually evaluated if the expression is true, then the body of the loop will be executed. Otherwise, the control will come out of the loop. Once the body of the loop is executed, the last portion is the iteration portion. Here we have incremented the I. So I is incremented. Then again the condition is evaluated. Again it is checked whether I value is less than 10 or not. So if it is less than 10, then again it is true. Then again the iteration portion, that is that the loop portion, will be executed. So once the condition is false, the loop will stop, loop will be terminated. So this is how the for loop works. Okay, so let us run this code and see the output. So this will actually print the value from 0 to 9. Okay, so let us run this code. See the value printed, right? Value of I 0 to 9 is printed. Okay, so now let us see the important jump statements. One is break and continue, how it is used inside the for loop. For example, if we want to stop the loop for a condition, for example, if the value of I is greater than 5, then we want to come out of the loop. So how to do that? So we can put a break here. When the value of I will be greater than 5, then at that time the control will come out of the loop because we are using break. So it will print only up to 0 to 4. Okay, so let us run this code and see the output. See, so the value of I is 0 is printed. So when the value becomes more than 5, the value is greater than 5, the control will come out of the loop because we are using break statement. So it will print 0 to 5. Okay, next is actually we want to print only the even numbers. So you want to print only even numbers. In this case we can use the continue. So how to use continue? For example, we have to check if the I, we use modulus operator for this. I modulus 2 is not equal to 0. That means we divide, modulus operator works this way. We divide the I by 2. Okay, and if the remainder is, not equal to 0, that means it is the odd number. If you divide a number by 2 and if the remainder is not equal to 0, means that I value is a odd number. In this case we want to skip that iteration, so we don't want to print it, so we can put continue here. We can put continue. Okay, so let us put continue. So what happened here is, when the result of modulus operator I modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then we want to skip it. So continue will work this way. Continue will skip the current iteration and next iteration will be started. So value of I will not be printed in the case of odd numbers. So only even number will be printed. Okay. So let us run this code and see the output. See, all the even numbers are printed 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.